Hello viewer, welcome to PK Learning. Viewer, in this video we will discuss the botanical name of some common fruits. Let's start it. And first question is botanical name of cashew is Anacardium occidental, Morus rubra, Cocomus mellow or Cocomus stivus. And answer is A. Anacardium occidental. Botanical name of cashew or kaju is Anacardium occidental. A is correct option. And next question. Botanical name of pineapple, ananas is Ficus carica, Ananas squamosa, Ananas comosus or Melas pumila. And answer is C. Ananas quimosus. Botanical name of pineapple or ananas is Ananas quimosus. C is correct option. And next question is botanical name of papaya, papita is Melas pumila, Carica papaya, Mora selva or Citrus paradisi. And answer is B. Carica papaya. Botanical name of papaya or papita is Carica papaya. B is correct option. And next question is botanical name of watermelon or tarboos is Citrolus vulgaris, Cocomus milo, Mora selva or Fragaria vesca. And answer is A. Citrolus vulgaris. Botanical name of watermelon or tarboos is Citrolus vulgaris. A is correct option. And next question is botanical name of melon or kharbuza is Citrolus vulgaris, Cocomus milo, Morus rubra or Melas pumila. And answer is B. Cocomus milo. Botanical name of melon or kharbuza is Cocomus milo. B is correct option. And next question is botanical name of fig or anjeer is Ficus carica, Fragaria visca, Citrolus vulgaris or Morus elva. And answer is A. Ficus carica. Botanical name of fig or anjeer is Ficus carica. A is correct option. And next question is botanical name of strawberry is Fragaria vesca, Melas pumila, Citrus sinensis or Morus elva. And answer is A. Fragaria vesca. Botanical name of strawberry is Fragaria vesca. A is correct option. And next question is botanical name of falsa is Ficus carica, Cocomus stivus, Grevia asiatica or Morus rubra. And answer is C. Grevia asiatica. C is correct option. And next question is botanical name of apple is Mora selva, Melas pumila, Citrus sinensis or Ficus carica. And answer is B. Melas pumila. Botanical name of apple or save is Melas pumila. B is correct option. And next question is botanical name of mango or arm is Magnifera indica, Morus elva, Melas pumila or Fragaria vesca. And answer is A. Magnifera indica. Botanical name of mango is Magnifera indica. A is correct option. And next question is botanical name of mulberry or shatut is Morus elba, Magnifera indica, Fragaria vesca, Cocomus stivus. And answer is A. Morus elba. Botanical name of mulberry or shatut is Morus elba. A is correct option. And next question is botanical name of banana or kela is Magnifera indica, Fragaria vesca, Vitis vinifera or Musa paradisiaca. And answer is D. Musa paradisiaca. Botanical name of banana Musa paradisiaca. D is correct option. And next question is botanical name of dates are khajuris, Phoenix dactylifera, Ziziphus jujuba or Pinus avium or Fragaria vesca? And answer is A. Phoenix dactylifera. Botanical name of dates are Khajuris, Phoenix dactylifera. A is correct option. And next question is botanical name of apricot or Hubani is Ziziphus jujuba, Pinus avium, Pinus armeniaca or Fragaria vesca. And answer is C. Pinus armeniaca. Botanical name of apricot or Hubani is Pinus armeniaca. C is correct option. And next question is botanical name of grapes or angur is Vitis vinifera, Ziziphus jujuba, Pinus avium or Fragaria vesca. And answer is A. Vitis vinifera. Botanical name of grapes or angur is Vitis vinifera. A is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.